Do you want to know how to promote affiliate links for free and if it even is possible to make money this way? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have used a lot of different ways to make money online, and one of the methods I have used a lot is affiliate marketing, and many viewers here on my channel keep asking me to make more videos about affiliate marketing. And one question I hear again and again is, how can I promote affiliate links for free so I can start earning commissions when I share these different referral or affiliate links? And therefore I wanted to record this video where I share my opinion and experience about this, because there's a lot of fake claims. It is true to a certain extent that you can promote affiliate links for free, but I'll explain all that so you know exactly what method you should and you should not use. So before I talk more specifically about certain methods to promote affiliate links for free, I just want to explain a little bit more about why I focus on this topic, because so many people have asked me about it. And if you look on YouTube, there's quite a lot of videos about it, and some have some like crazy claims like how I make $75 a month with free traffic and $15 per month or $15,000 per month and all that. And I just want to make it clear, you can actually potentially make that kind of money with affiliate marketing. But a lot of the videos that I have seen, they are just not being very transparent. They're showing you in some cases some methods that could potentially work, but there are a lot of important details they leave out, and in some cases the videos just show you methods that actually do not really work, and the way they make money is by making videos that just makes these exaggerated claims. So that's just one thing to consider. I'm not saying that specifically about any specific videos. I'm just saying if you search for that, this is something to be aware of, because there's a lot of really hype videos out there. And that's why I wanted to make this video, because I have several years of experience with affiliate marketing. So I want to go over some of these free traffic methods that a lot of people talk about, that I have seen people ask me about and seen in other videos, and explain step by step why they might work, how they might work, and why they might not work, so you can find out exactly which options you should use so you do not end up wasting your time and potentially also money. So let's start by going over one of the methods where people say that you can make money, or how you can promote your affiliate link for free. And that is by, for example, just creating a YouTube channel or creating a website. And it is true, you can create a YouTube channel or a website for that matter, for example, on a platform like Blogger.com without any investment at all. And how many people then say you can do it is that you just create a YouTube video or video channel there, you just upload a few videos, and then you just share your link in the description, and then you will make hundreds of dollars per day. The same with like Blogger.com, for example, because that's a way where you can for free actually make a website. Not something that I personally would do as a way to build an affiliate income, but more about that later. But what they say is then you just do that, you just put some content. In many cases, the lazy people, these lazy methods that promise fast money, say like you don't even have to write the articles, you just steal some content or use a bot to spin it, and then you put it on the website, you share your affiliate link, people will click it, and you will make money. And this is theoretically true if you have a YouTube channel or a website and people click affiliate links, referral links you share, you can earn commissions. However, just because you have a YouTube channel or just because you have a website, you will not necessarily get any traffic. And getting traffic, quality traffic, not this kind of like cheap, like pay $1 for 1,000 visits. You will not get anything out of crap traffic like that. So don't try like things like that. What you should do instead, I will talk more about later. This is just an introduction to websites and YouTube, because that's one of the many things that people say. You just create it, you don't invest anything, and then you actually can just start earning hundreds of dollars per day. Eventually you can. But more about that later, how much that would require. Let's move on to another method I have heard a lot of people talk about, so we can also talk about the truth and the myth of that method. So another option is that many people say you just go on a social media platform like Facebook. You find affiliate marketing groups. For example, this one you see, it has 69,000 members. There's a lot of posts. This one has 88,000 members. You just join these groups, and in some cases, then they tell you just post your referral link there and you will start earning commissions. First of all, that will just like very quickly get you banned. What other people say is then start friending people there, you know, like 50 people per day, and then you build up a lot of people that are interested in the same, and then you start making on your own wall, you make these like post about an offer you have, and say to people to comment below instead of sharing your affiliate link directly, because in many cases Facebook will just block that, or the social media world, and then you can send it in their private inbox. And again, theoretically this could work, but if you join one of these groups that just allow you to randomly friend people, then that is what people do. These are then it's spam groups if you find groups where they allow that. If it's a legit group with some administrators that actually care about quality, they will kick you out as soon as you try these tricks, because you know, it's not anything about quality. You're not providing quality. You're just, you know, using people as a way to earn commissions. And affiliate marketing is, of course, about earning commissions, but it's also about making commissions by helping people, by providing value. And too many people just completely forget about that aspect. And then, in my opinion, then they don't deserve to earn online anyways. And it's not a long-term sustainable method. Some people manage to make a lot of money like that, but I don't know how they can sleep at night, and they end up wasting so many people's time that chase the same thing, that just like don't care, and they just want to make commissions, don't care about the quality. And you know, 1 out of like maybe 10,000 with that approach will actually start making money. So that's why I would say, do not just start posting your affiliate link in groups. Do not just start joining random groups and friending people and think that you can then inbox them or that they will engage with you on your wall. It's just not how it works. Only if you actually first provide quality content that help people, you can start building a following that will actually trust you. Because if you just start promoting BS products anyways, you know, people will not trust you long anyways. Even if you make a few sales, then it stops there, and then you have to do it all over again for a few extra bucks. So also not really the right approach. Again, later I will talk about what, in my opinion, is the best approach depending on how you want to make money. So one more method a lot of people talk about, let's go over that also. So if you've heard about affiliate marketing, you probably heard about Quora. And Quora is a forum where people ask all kinds of questions, and there's a lot of questions about making money online. And a lot of affiliate marketers say that this is a good platform to use because you just go there, reply to a question. You shouldn't post affiliate links there directly. In most cases, that will get you banned. But then they say link to a page you have, you know, this free website you had about it, and then you get traffic and things like. But you know, again, people can spot when you're just trying to sell without providing value. Quora have strict security also, so in many cases they very quickly block you if they can just sense a pattern where you just like don't even like really participate but just try to sell. I'm not saying Quora cannot work as a way to get traffic, but it requires a lot more than most people tell you. It requires you to just be really, really, really active for a long time, and then once in a while you can share some links and get a little bit of traffic. It's not a fast, easy way to make hundreds of dollars as some people want you to believe. So this is some of the methods that I've seen people claim that you can just do and then make a full-time income in a few days, and why they do not work, in my opinion. So let's then talk about what you can do to actually make it work if you want to make real money with affiliate marketing. So as you can see, there are some methods that could theoretically work and that are free, but the reality is also just that there's a lot of things that people usually do not tell you. So I personally have a YouTube channel. I also have a website, and I am doing pretty well with both. And one of the methods that I do earn is through affiliate marketing. And let me share you a little bit about my experiences about how I have done this. And it is true, you can create a YouTube channel for free, and I also did that. I did not invest anything in the YouTube channel because you can just create it for free. I bought like a super cheap screen recorder and started making basic videos, and that is true, you can start doing that. And the same with the website, you can get started super cheap. But I would say, like, don't use these completely free ways to make a website. Get a domain at least. You can get that for like $15 for a full year or something like that. That's true. So it's like very, very small, no investment you would need to do. The problem that many people then have is that you have a website, you have a YouTube channel, but then what? Without visitors, it doesn't matter that you have a YouTube channel or that you have a website, because there will not be any people that you can share your content with. You will not earn commissions or anything like that. And that is what most people do not tell you. And then they give you all kind of quick fixes. But when it comes to getting quality traffic, whether it's YouTube channel or a website, is that you do need to take the time to learn how to provide value, help people, how to find the right topics that you can help them with, how to optimize your content, whether it's on YouTube or a website. And the thing is, this is something you can learn no matter your background, as long as you're willing to work hard and are aware that this is not something you can just start making hundreds of dollars with right away. It is potentially possible to earn hundreds of dollars per day with affiliate marketing, but that will take time. And if you're willing to put in that time and that effort, and also willing to invest just a little bit in actually learning to do it right and some basic tools, then it can be a really, really great way to make money online, and one of the best ways to make a living online in my personal opinion. But you do need to do it with the right expectation. That is the main aim of this video, because I wanted to show some of the truth and the myth about some of these different claims I've seen. Below I will leave links to my top recommended way, or the fastest way that I have seen to actually start making money with YouTube with basically no investment. I'll leave a link to that below. I will also leave a link to a video I have where I explain more about, if you're interested in creating a blog, how I have done that and what I would recommend for that. So then you can check that out depending on your preferences and what type of traffic source you would like to start working with. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out more about how affiliate marketing works and what the right method and approach for you is. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.